Stuck in the sand again for the third time. Thought it'd be easy to just get out there, let some more air in my tires and stuff, but I might not get out right now. Hopefully I do. I'm gonna play around. I'm just gonna get up on and go. That's where I was, stuck in the sand.